Meteorologist Tammie Souza is here now. Tammie, you mentioned earlier about your forecast, and that's interesting.
Well, you know what? Here's the thing. Yesterday it looked like this was going to be all rain next week, and we still have a 60-degree day for Thursday. But I got to tell you, these storm systems are coming in, and some areas around Philadelphia could be cold enough to support snow and accumulating snow even as early as tomorrow night and into early Tuesday morning.
Okay.
So there you go. You're
Finally. She's late, but she's here to snow.
Mother Nature saves the best for last. You know, meteorological winter ends on Tuesday, so I guess it's fitting that they're going to try to shoehorn some snow in there. But it does look like there is a possibility for some accumulating snow in parts of the area tomorrow night and some very, very heavy rain. Let's start off with the numbers first because they are mild. It's still a chilly start. We're 35 in Philadelphia. If you're in Reading, 33, Allentown, 27, Millville, 34, 29 in Atlantic City. So a little bit warmer than yesterday morning. In fact, many of yesterday's highs did not exceed those temperatures. For today, we're going to see cloud cover this morning across Philadelphia. There is some sunshine down the shore, so you're thinking, well, what cloud cover are you talking about? You may see some clouds drift through this morning, but what we're going to be looking for is temperatures to climb with sunshine into the 50s this afternoon on a west-southwest wind, and that is that southwest wind that will help to warm us up. Here's our next weather radar and satellite. I have to show you the cloud cover coming in. It's drifting through pretty quickly, still hanging on up into the Poconos, but just off to the west we have plenty of clearing and we have high pressure building in. We're going to go even further west because this storm system, hard to believe, I know, coming out of Arizona is the one that's going to affect us for tomorrow night and into Tuesday. And then there's another one after that that's going to get us the end of the week. So how quickly can this thing move in our direction? Well, first off, we have to talk about the fact that this storm system is going to potentially create a mess in the heartland. We're talking about Oklahoma, Texas, into the plains with large damaging tornadoes and hail and wind. So this is going to be a very ugly situation. Let's go ahead and watch this as it rolls out and approaches us. Here we go through the day today. Look at this thing. It's still getting its act together, moving through the Midwest. Now we're tomorrow morning and then into tomorrow afternoon. That is how quickly it is going to get here. It may start off as rain. I think this is a little aggressive with some snow in South Jersey, but I do think we could see some rain and mixing from Philadelphia north and west. Maybe a little bit of snow mixing in with rain as you get up into the Lehigh Valley. Watch what happens from 3 o'clock on. We're okay at 5 o'clock. Then here comes the next push. We get some very heavy rain. We're talking about rain in excess of an inch that can move across Delaware, even Philadelphia and South Jersey, up into the Lehigh Valley, cold enough tomorrow night, 8:30, to possibly support some wet snow. And into the Poconos, some snow, maybe a little bit of sleet around Philadelphia and the lower suburbs. Now we get into 11 o'clock. We have some mixing up into the Lehigh Valley, snow ongoing in the Poconos, heavy rain still across South Jersey. This is going to be kind of ugly tomorrow night. So hopefully the early morning commute or the early evening commute will be quiet. I think the later you go at night, it's going to be a little bit dicey. We get into 2 o'clock in the morning, still snow ongoing in the Poconos, and maybe even a final push of light snow into Tuesday morning when the rest of us have already cleared out. So this is when the rain and snow chances will get going sometime after about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow, so you were fine until then. How much are we talking about? Well, look at this. Could pick up 5-6 inches in the Poconos. I think we'll see winter weather advisories issued there, maybe several inches up into the Lehigh Valley. Really just a dusting, if anything at all, in Philadelphia. So we'll keep a very close eye on all of that. Here is our storm for tomorrow and into Tuesday. We're quiet Wednesday, and then we get very busy again the end of the week. When I come back in a few minutes, I'm going to talk about that storm system. But for today, 53, rain, and 46 tomorrow, dropping down to the freezing mark tomorrow night, supporting a mix. Then 49 on Tuesday, 56 Wednesday, 60s on Thursday. Here's that interesting part of the forecast coming up in just a few minutes. Howard?
All right. Thank you, Tammie.